Hi guys, very welcome to my first Learn English in 2 minutes video. Today we are going to learn the English alphabet. The first letter is A. A like apple and ant. The second letter is B. B like ball and banana. The third letter is C. C like cat and car. The next letter is D. D like dog and duck. The next letter is E. E like egg and elephant. The next letter is F. F like fish and flower. G. G like giraffe and guitar. H. H like hat and house. I. I like ice and ice cream. J. J like Joker and juice. K. K like kite and kangaroo. L. L like lion and lamp. M. M like monkey and moon. N. N like nail and notebook. O. O like orange and olive. P. P like pizza and penguin. Q. Q like queen and quiz. R. R like rainbow and robot. S. S like sun and star. T like tiger and table. U. U like umbrella and unicorn. V. V like violin and vanilla. W. W like watching whale. X. X like X-ray and xylophone. Y. Y like yacht and yo-yo. Z. Z like zebra and zipper. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Write some examples in the comment. Bye.